Emotion, how emotion become causes of disease, part 6 na po tayo. Xian Jebin actually mentioned 8 emotions in this classical categories. These are excess joy, anger, pensiveness, worry, fright, shock, sadness, and fear. Beside the above mentioned, we shall also discuss some emotions that are not usually mentioned in modern Chinese book, but we mentioned in the ancient ones. Moreover, we shall discuss some emotions that are never mentioned in Chinese book. Modern or ancient indeed, the list of emotions that are not discussed in Chinese book is very long, and the following are some examples. Pride, shame, guilt, envy, contempt, and resentments. Angst, despair, hopelessness, frustration, hatred, rejection, indignation, humiliation, regret, remorse, self-contempt, self-hatred, self-love, or narcissism, spite, and vanity. Beside the usual 7 emotions, some Chinese doctors considered other emotions such as yung grief, yung sobrang lungkot, love, hatred, and desire. Yung grief would naturally be akin to sadness. Sobrang pagluluksa mo, maglilid to sa sobrang kalungkutan. So love here means not normal love such as that of mother towards her child or between two lovers, but rather the condition when love becomes an obsession. Yung nagiging obsessed ka na. Or when it is misdirected as when person loves someone who presently hurts them. Or yung nasasaktan na nga siya, nagtitiis pa rin dahil sobrang mahal niya. Yun, obsession na yun na pagmamahal. At ganun, alam natin na may problema, heart. The problem yung kanyang heart. Hatred is a common negative emotion that would be akin to anger. Desire means excessive craving. The inclusion of this as a cause of disease reflect the Taoist, Confucianist, and Buddhist influence on Chinese medicine, as all three major Chinese religion, philosophies considered excessive desire to be the root of many emotional problems. So, lahat ng excessive, lahat ng sobra ay nagiging sanhi ng sakit, sobrang emotion. Indeed, according to the Buddhist thought, desire is the ultimate cause of disease. Diba? Kaya may mga tao na sobra yung pagnanasa, may sakit yan. Clinging to external object or other people, to life itself. Yung mga taong sobrang obsessed sa mga bagay o sa mismo sa tao. So talagang hindi yun normal, talagang may sakit. Indeed, from a Buddhist perspective, it is a very craving for the warmth of a womb by a soul in the worldly state, the state in between death and life, that bring our existence into being. This excessive craving, which is one aspect of the emotion of joy in Chinese medicine, causes the minister fire to blaze upward and harass the mind. So, ibig sabihin daw po nito, yung sobrang obsessed natin ay nagiging effect doon sa ating katawan. Nagkakaroon ng fire, minister fire. Tumataas po, tapos nagbi-blaze upward. Hinaharas niya yung ating pag-iisip, kaya nawawala sa katinuan. Nawawala. Then, ang nag-ano dito sa mind natin ay yung heart. Finally, two emotions are common in Western patients but not mentioned in Chinese book, are guilt and shame. So thus the list of emotion would be expanded as follows, and these are the emotions we will discuss. So anger, including yung frustration at resentments. So alam natin na ang organ na naapektuhan ay ang liver. Ulitin natin, yung joy, ang naapektuhan na organ ay ang heart. Worry, naapektuhan nito yung lung and spleen. Pensiveness, sobrang pag-isip, affects the spleen. Kaya minsan, di ba, kakakain mo lang pero parang gutom ka na naman kasi nagagamit mo yung energy ng spleen kaya nakakaramdam ka ng parang may ulcer ka. So, sobrang pag-isip. Sobrang sadness and grief affect the lungs and heart. Fear affects the kidney. Kaya di ba minsan Sobrang takot, naihi na dun sa pante. Kasi hindi na na-hold ng kidney yung water. So nanghina siya, kaya yun, ilalabas niya yung water through urinate ka na. Shock affect the kidneys and heart. Kaya yung mga anak niyo lagi umiihi dun sa sa higaan. Yan, pressure niyo ang kidney. Love affects the heart. Craving affects the heart. Guilt affects the kidney and heart. Shame affects the heart and spleen. So alam niyo pag yan ang mga nakikita ninyong emotion, yan yung mga organ na dapat nating pinipressure or ina-acupuncture, minamassage. Thank you for your attention.